girls, welcome back. So I'm looking like a little 12-year-old. I just came out the shower and I was like, girl, let me do a get ready with me video because y'all seem to like those videos. I'm like, okay girl, I got y'all. So I just came out the shower. I did my eyebrows. That's all I did. All I did was my eyebrows and I'm fresh faced right now. Don't know how I feel about that. You know, my skin still needs some work in. I have this dark mark right here because I had popped a pimple and I couldn't wait. First thing I do before I put on any foundation, I use this bottle. It's called Crystal Power Hydro Mist for your skin and soul. I got this from Ulta. I don't use a primer. I don't know, they just don't make my makeup look good. I spray it on my face and just, you know, fan it around. But yeah, I use this. It makes my skin look so good and I love that. So yeah, the foundation I'm gonna be using, it's actually my mom's foundation because her one, I thought I was light skinned for a minute, so I got a shade lighter and it's too light. So yeah, but this foundation is good. It's the Clinique Beyond Perfected foundation. I got it in the color, what color is this? Amber. On my face. Yeah. So put this on. You see, it's the same exact color of my skin. I love that. So in this video, guys, a lot of you guys haven't asked me some questions, so I'm gonna answer it or whatever. And first and foremost, we're gonna start about my vendor services. Coming to vendor June 24th, and a lot of you guys want to know what I will be selling on my website and etc, etc, etc. I'm gonna tell you guys, you know, some stuff I'm gonna be selling, but it's not gonna be everything because you know, the website is not launched yet. I don't want to ruin the surprise. My logo and everything is called Anna the Plug. I do also have logo services. If you want me to make a logo, I can make a logo, like any text-based logo. I'm not doing any like cartoon logos at the moment. I have a whole bunch of stuff on my website. I will have jewelry, I will have lip gloss packaging. So on my website I will have services too, so it just won't be physical products. So I will be making websites for people. A lot of you guys haven't asked me who do my website and stuff, and I do my website. I'm my own graphic designer. I do everything myself, so I will be doing that. I do want to inform you guys that I'm not an expert at, you know, graphic design. I'm not going to school for graphic design. My major is business management. But yeah, I am, like, you know, an amateur. I'm still a beginner, but I do know some pretty good stuff. I do know how to make stuff look good. And you know, I'm very creative with it. I have jewelry pieces. I will sell pendants separate, so you know, just the pendants or whatever, I will sell that separate. And I will sell the chains, like if you just want like the chains wholesale, I will have them in lengths 16, 18, 20 and so on. I will also have jewelry for men, like the heavier chains. Also, y'all asked about the clothing. Y'all know every clothing that I make, y'all guys ask about clothing. Y'all know I make my own shirts, I make my own everything. Just came out with this new set on my website for Anna's Dollhouse, and it's called the Hustler set. I made that whole set. I'm so in love with that. I will be adding more pieces to my site. But yeah, I will be making custom clothing, so like anything you want on a shirt, I can put it on there. Any text, I can do black, white, any color, rainbow, glitter, like all of that I will put on any shirt that you want. And also I will be making sets too, like if you want a set made, like a shirt and some leggings, or a shirt and some shorts, or even I will be making two top dresses. Also know how to sew. I haven't sewn in so long though because I needed a new sewing machine and I never got a chance to get one. But yeah, I do know how to sew. So once I get my sewing machine next week, I will be sewing, you know, custom garments. I will be sewing custom pieces and stuff, and you know, putting that up for sale so you guys can get it, because I know how hard it is, you know, to find a good clothing vendor. Like DIY jewelry, like, you know, the bamboo earrings, guys, it's called the glitz bamboo earrings I have on my website. I will be having that for wholesale also. Guys, I'm so excited, but you gotta be patient, okay? The website is going to speak for itself. All right, the website is gonna speak for itself. Once y'all see that website, y'all gonna be like, yes, this is exactly what I needed. But everything is gonna be super affordable. Shipping won't be OD. I'm located in the United States, of course. I live in New York. Shipping will not be OD. Shipping internationally. Purchase if you live internationally, of course, the shipping is gonna be more money. Vendors be having like, oh, you need to order a minimum of 50 items in order to get it. I won't lie, guys, you have to do that for certain stuff, because you can't just make one of something, because it takes a whole bunch of time, especially if it takes a whole bunch of time and dedication to make it. For some items that's needed, you will have to order like a minimum of 20 or 50. A wholesale means a bulk of stuff, so buying a bulk of stuff. Website is not a retail website, it's wholesale. So wholesale is buying a bulk of items, you know, a whole bunch of items at affordable price. So that's what it will be. You guys have been asking about sales, okay? Listen, are like, oh my god, I'm not getting no sales. Sometimes it's not all about money. Okay, you need your business to be successful, you need to get sales, I understand that, but try focusing on getting your business out there first. You cannot just like want sales and your business is not really out there. You have to promote your business, you know, you have to promote your business, you have to do everything for your business to get out there in the world, okay? Because if people don't know about your business, they're not gonna want to purchase from you, you know, just like they're just gonna walk past. So you want to have sales, promote your business as much as possible. Don't worry about sales, especially when you're first starting. Just worry about promoting your business, making it look good, making it attract customers, having special sales. Like if you gotta have some crazy sales, like buy 2 get 3 free, I don't know, but I did sales like that when I first started, just to get people's attention and just to show people that, girl, my business is lit, you want to shop with me, all right? I think you deserve more sales. Of course you do. You work hard, your products are amazing, but just keep promoting your website. Like, just like you can have a lot of traffic on your website. A lot of traffic means a lot of people is going to your website, but they're not buying anything. That's still really good. At least you know that people know where your website is at, people know what products you have. You know, sometimes people are not gonna buy something right away. Like, it might happen, but people, you know, people take time. You know, people might come back. You know, use your website suggestion. Oh, I can get my hair from her. About people, you know, just knowing your website, like knowing your name, knowing who you are. That's the most important thing. And that also goes into brand ambassadors. You getting brand ambassadors. Now, get brand ambassadors that's gonna help you and benefit you and not use you. The setting powder I'm using is black opal setting powder in the color, what this color is, medium. But yeah, get brand ambassador that's gonna help you. Get brand ambassadors that has a good following, has an active page, okay? Get the biggest person that you can get, okay? So make sure they have a good following. You don't want to give your free product away to somebody that's one and not gonna help you, or somebody doesn't have a following. Like business, this is advertising, this is your money, okay? You need to have somebody to promote your products the right way, and you need somebody to promote your products so you can get more customers and, you know, just get your brand out there, okay? So your brand ambassadors are very important. That's why I chose mine very carefully. I understand people just, oh, brand ambassadors, but people have to understand that they don't really know the business aspects of being a brand ambassador, okay? Besides the product, it's just not about, hey, I'm wearing this from AnnaLuxuriousWigs. No, you have to be professional. You have to, you know, you just have to be business with it. I don't know. I want you guys to succeed. I don't want you guys to lose money or whatever. But you know, you're gonna have some trial and errors with your business. It's like, I had some trial and errors, like 2 things that I had on my website didn't do good, so I had to take them off. It's all about trials and errors and finding what best suits for you. The more you wear your products, the more sales you're gonna get. People like to see you wearing your own product. They ask you, hey, where you got this from? You could be like, from my website. Boom, period. You feel me? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys how to make a website, stuff like that, very soon, but it takes time to, you know, make a website. So that video is still in the works, but it's still coming, all right? But yeah, I'm gonna just name like a few websites that will help you guys. 2 best website platforms to start your business with is Shopify, and the second one I think is Wix. Wix, I think I tried their free trial. It was okay, but I didn't go along with it. Website to get packaging from, papermart.com. Boxes over here. And these is all my lace scents, so I have so much, guys. It's literally just like boom. But yeah, papermart.com, good for packaging. Vistaprint.com. Vistaprint is my best friend. Good for business cards, thank you cards. They even make what else they do? They even make, you can make custom pillows. You can do a whole lot of stuff like t-shirts, coffees, and you can make your own pens. Vistaprint is really the plug. I'm using this mascara. It's called CoverGirl Clump Crusher. Being an entrepreneur is not easy, okay? Some people might think it's easy. Oh, I'm being my own boss, you know, get my own money. But you have to understand, you started from the ground up. Like, you have to literally do every single thing by yourself to start a business. You understand? It's really stressful and it's not easy. But let me tell you guys, it is not impossible. You know, everybody is different. So I can't really tell you guys all the steps. Everybody is different. You have to just keep pushing your own way. A very exciting thing to be an entrepreneur, but it also can be very stressful. But don't even look at the stressful part. Just keep pushing and keep doing you, girl. For lip gloss, I already had it on in the beginning because my lips was chapped. I use this regular Smegler clear lip gloss from Beauty Supply Store, period. And you know, just put that on my lips. And then I use this NYX Butter Gloss and just put that on. It's barely anything in here, but you know, we are just gonna try. Hey guys, so this is my real hair. Like, y'all see my hair is looking real crazy right now. I got a freaking tan line because I've been wearing so much wigs. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this up in a wig cap and throw my wig on. Y'all gonna ask, girl, you gotta brace your hair, but girl, no, I'm gonna show y'all right. I look like a grandma. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Motions Mousse and just do something different and, you know, get some short hair, like stun on these hoes like a pussy ass hoe can never. Do-rag on, put my do-rag on, put my cologne on, put my cologne on. They using my name for clickbait. Most of them wanna stop fake beef. Still looting names and they mix it. They know what the ball, I'm taking it all up. Say anything to get up. Oh, my blood circulation. What I'm finna wear today. I made this shirt, guys. Look at this. I made this shirt. I'm thinking to put it on my website, but yeah, this is how it look. Drippy. Drippy. Nah, I love this shirt. Let me show y'all. Look at this. This shirt is wavy. Y'all, this shirt is coming to my website. Alright, y'all. So they said it's 78 degrees outside. So I guess it's 78 degrees outside. So I'm gonna wear this. Some jeans. So I wear these literally every day and I don't even care. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. I'm literally on my way to make another video right now. So if y'all see my other video of me looking the exact same, that's why. Slay, and keep getting paid. Hallelujah.